Hey everyone, I wanted to make this video to say hello and to invite you to my Rosewater workshop. And this workshop is going to be on March 27th, which is a Tuesday, and it's going to be at Naturally Organic Healing Center. And if you're in town, definitely stop by and check out the workshop. This workshop, I feel like others that I'll be doing in the future, is information that I want to share with everyone in the community. And it's good information to know that will help you with all the other workshops that I teach that are not free workshops. So definitely stop by. There's going to be Rosewater at this event. So if you want to purchase it from the store, you can definitely do that. What else? Yeah, I'll be making more workshops with useful information for people that are interested in the sublime body, energy healing, just emotional balance, clearing your energy and energy work, energy healing, and just having a Zen, peaceful type of mind and environment, and the many ways you can do different things to improve your well-being, your wellness. So yeah, definitely come by and check out that workshop on March 27th. It's a Tuesday at 6 p.m. Again, the workshop is free. And workshops like this, I feel that people always ask these questions, and it's something that's fun to know, useful to know, most importantly. So definitely come on out. I'll be sharing this video on Facebook and some of my other channels. So I will see you then. And also I want to say I want to do the same workshop also online, but if you're in town, definitely come by, because I don't know when I'll have time to record that, since I'm hosting it, in like 2 weeks from now. So definitely come by and check that out, and have a beautiful day, and I'll see you guys then. Peace.